cream cheese frosting and chocolate sauce, 100% cocoa. And we keep this on our condiment tray on the counter. And this cream cheese, we keep in the fridge. And when you just need that little bit of sweetness and stuff, it's just perfect. Let's make it right now. Eight ounces of cream cheese, softened. 1 stick of butter, 1/8 of a cup of powdered, this is xylitol, a 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla, and that's about it. So I'm just going to whip this up, try and do it fast here. You can put lemon juice in if you want, but we don't normally put the lemon in because not everything you have with the cream frosting calls for lemon. Pack it down like that. How easy is that, man? That didn't take any time at all. I'll save that for Jennifer and knock that down. What did it take? Like 30 seconds to whip that up. And you just put the lid on it like this and into the fridge. And Jennifer made some pumpkin muffins last night. And she actually puts a little bit of this in the center of the pumpkin muffin. It's really delicious. My wife Jennifer is a chocolate nut. And so I've come up with this recipe to make bulk chocolate. And it normally makes like two of these squeeze bottles, or 1.5. 1.5 cups of coconut oil. This is a 1/2 cup of powdered erythritol. That goes in. I like to powder the erythritol all the time. And you know, the granulars, sometimes it just doesn't, you get a little bit of graininess. And this is 1 whole 8-ounce container of 100% cocoa. So in we go. So everything's in there. And I'm just going to blend this up. So it's going to get noisy for a second. Okay, so this is still warm. Remember, we used warm coconut oil. And basically what I do is I just put a funnel in like this and then just pour this chocolate sauce right in. It's really good on keto ice cream. It's good on, well, Jennifer puts it on just about everything. These are real chocolate fat bombs. And you can store them in the fridge. See how they just pop out? It's a little silicone mold, a little perfect chocolates with a macadamia nut in the inside.